Well, see Ramsey out there in the yard? Do you see Ramsey out there in the yard? Let me see if we can zoom in. Nope, I guess we can't. I just want to tell you, this little Dickens was in here with the rest of the guys, and he decided just to simply launch over the fence and go out and play all by himself. Not very happy about that, but since he already did it, what are you gonna do? Crap. Oh, he loves his ball, just like his great-grandpa, Polo. You silly boy. What am I going to do with you, huh? What am I going to do with you?